All right, we reintroduced pasting in Sourcebook. I missed it, so we put it back in. So you can drag and drop images now. So I have this image getting started with Sourcebook. I'm just going to drag it into the app. You could also paste it. It's much easier. Build a website with this vibe and use it as a hero image. And you can just ask Sourcebook to make things like this. So we automatically upload your assets for you. You can manage your assets in the assets panel here if you wanted to upload more. If you wanted to rename them or add a description, this is all possible here. And I'm going to skip this. And boom, look at this. Look at this. It made a website. So it looked at the image. It picked the vibe. It extracted things out of it. It extracted colors and it used it as an asset. So now the AI is smart. And when you give it an image, it could both understand that it could use it in your website, but it can also look at the image. It does both at the same time. And depending on what you ask it, it kind of adapts the intent and manages it for you. It should be super intuitive, super easy. We're very excited. You could just paste any image in chat. Image support is awesome.